An MRI can show something abnormal and still leave the most important question unanswered. Does that finding actually explain what you are feeling? Maybe your report mentions a tear, degeneration, inflammation, or changes from surgery. Those words can sound definitive and sometimes alarming. But an MRI shows structure. It does not automatically tell you how well you can use your arm, whether your strength and motion are improving, or how your symptoms have changed over time. Uh, that is especially important after shoulder surgery. Healing tissue and normal postoperative changes may still look abnormal on an MRI. Depending on when the scan is performed, even a repaired tendon can be difficult to interpret. That does not mean the MRI should be ignored. It means the findings have to be interpreted in context. I'm Dr. Dan, an orthopedic surgeon who has helped thousands of people through shoulder surgery. My job here is simple: cut through the noise so your recovery makes sense. Before allowing one phrase in an MRI report to change your recovery decisions, ask 4 questions. First, does the finding match where and when you are having symptoms? Second, is your function improving or declining? Pain matters, but so do your motion, strength, and ability to use the arm. Third, does the physical examination support what the MRI appears to show? And fourth, would the finding actually change what you should do next? Those questions matter because reacting to one sentence in a report can lead to unnecessary fear. You may stop moving because you are afraid of causing damage. You may assume every painful sensation means something has failed. Or you may begin considering another procedure before determining whether the finding actually matches your recovery. On the other hand, imaging may become more important if you experienced a new injury, developed meaningful new weakness, or have lost function you had previously regained, or your recovery is clearly deteriorating rather than gradually progressing. If you're trying to determine whether your recovery is on track or whether something you are doing may be setting you back, the Shoulder Recovery Guide gives you a simple recovery audit and safety check. It is linked below. Have you ever read an MRI report and felt more confused afterward? Tell me the phrase or finding that was hardest to understand in the comments. Your MRI should inform the decision, but it should not make the decision by itself. The real question is not simply, what does the scan show? It is, does that finding match what is happening in my recovery, and would it change what I should do next? So don't panic over the label, but don't dismiss it either. Ask how the finding fits your complete clinical picture. I explained the distinction between a common finding on MRI more fully in partial versus full thickness rotator cuff tears. Its link is in the description below. I hope this helps. See you soon.